Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome to CarsCorp. I'm your host Mark, and in this video, I'll be reviewing the 2025 Aston Martin Vantage. Prepare to be captivated by the exclusive, aesthetically pleasing, and exceptionally potent 2025 Aston Martin Vantage. This exceptional high-performance Grand Touring automobile has undergone a series of meticulous refinements, promising an unparalleled driving experience with every metric enhanced. The exterior of the 2025 Vantage boasts several discreet yet impactful updates. A new front bumper with an enlarged grille and sleek LED headlamps lend a fresh and assertive appearance. Redesigned front fenders embrace new 21-inch alloy wheels, while side vents have been strategically placed behind the wheel arches, enhancing both aesthetics and aerodynamic efficiency. Under the hood of the Vantage lies a newly engineered 656 HP twin-turbo V8 engine, a true mechanical marvel that represents a significant leap from its predecessor. This powerful mill delivers a remarkable 128 HP increase, effectively erasing any lingering sentiments of loss for the departed 12-cylinder Vantage. The gasoline V8 engine unleashes exhilarating acceleration and a thrilling exhaust note that will ignite your senses. The anticipated price range for the 2025 Aston Martin Vantage is between $194,400 and $200,000, depending on the trim and options. While the Vantage's interior remains a snug affair, it has been adorned with upgraded hand-stitched premium leather, adding a touch of sophistication to the cabin. A modern infotainment system takes center stage, featuring a user-friendly interface and seamless integration with your smartphone. While Aston Martin has always offered a vast array of interior options and upgrades, the 2025 Vantage's interior has been meticulously revised. It retains the intimate two-seater configuration, but modern touches such as a new center console and infotainment touchscreen imbue the cabin with a sense of contemporary sophistication. Storage space is limited to a small center console bin and door pockets. The convertible's power-operated fabric roof retracts swiftly, featuring a Z shape that preserves trunk space. Despite its slightly smaller trunk compared to the coupe, the Vantage Roadster can still accommodate a full-size golf bag. Aston Martin claims a blistering 0-60 miles per hour time of 3.4 seconds for the new Vantage. Considering the previous Vantage of F1 Edition achieved the same milestone in 3.5 seconds with significantly less horsepower, it's reasonable to expect the 2025 model to be even quicker. Aston Martin asserts that the Vantage has a top speed of 202 miles per hour. The standard audio system is a robust 390-watt, 11-speaker Aston system. However, audiophiles can opt for the exceptional 1,170-watt, 15-speaker Bowers & Wilkins system, promising an immersive and captivating sound experience. Subscribe to CarsCorp to stay up to date on the latest news about the upcoming cars and be among the first to experience the aesthetic blend of style and performance.